Hey guys, Leanne here from Avoiding Broke. I really hope you're well and welcome to this our podcast Sunday episode. So here in the UK at the minute we're experiencing wonderful weather, and I hope wherever you are that you're having kind of similar sunshine and able to enjoy that. And it got me thinking, this lovely weather and spending time outside because the weather is so nice. It really got me thinking about a really important thing that I think a lot of us kind of forget, especially I think when we're working towards kind of goals and dreams and we're kind of looking forward and we're thinking about our future. Sometimes we can forget about the importance of kind of being present and being present in this moment that we're in right now, this moment that we're living in. And it got me thinking about this because I tend to find that really I do this best when the weather is nice and you're outside and you're doing things in nature, or if you're on holiday, you've got some time off and you really take a break from maybe the normal day-to-day things, and it's just such a wonderful feeling. And so I thought, why does it feel so wonderful? And I think it is because you're being present in the moment and you're enjoying what life is about and all of the things that you're doing at that particular moment. And so being present it's a wonderful thing because of the way it makes you feel, like I've just said, but also it can have so many benefits. And I think those benefits are things like, it relieves stress, you're able to focus more, you just give yourself some space. And so I think being present is actually a really important thing. And even it may seem kind of counterintuitive when you're thinking, no, I'm working towards this goal, I'm working towards this dream, I've got this target that I want to get to in 1 month, 6 months, 5 years time, whatever your time frame is. It can feel like you're always trying to think of the future and what you're going to do to get there and how you're going to make sure that you kind of do what it needs to happen to make sure that you reach your goals and your dreams. Whereas I think we then tend to forget that actually it's the things that we do every day, those little things that we do in the present moment that build up to our future. It's kind of the combination of all of these things that you do every day that actually leads to your future. So let's not forget about being present. And not only that, but like I said, there are so many benefits to actually being present that will help you work towards your goal, like the focus that you can get. You can free up some space in your mind to be creative. You can help relieve stress and help you if you've got facing a hurdle or an obstacle or something like that, or just something just isn't working out right. Then actually being present, taking that time and giving yourself time and space can actually really help you deal with that and just put things into perspective. And kind of to give it a contrast, I always think to myself, if you've got lots of stuff going on, I'm sure we've all been in that situation where you have so much going on. Maybe, I know for me it's if work's busy, Domain and I may be trying to do some stuff together. You've got maybe stuff that you're trying to do with your family, friends. There's just so much going on, and actually I feel like I'm trying so hard to do so many different things, but actually I'm not doing anything. And I think that's because I'm forgetting about this present moment and being present and how much that can actually help. My mind is too far in the future. It's too overwhelmed by everything that I'm trying to do, rather than being, no, I'm right here now. Everything is okay. And I can make positive steps in all of those things that I'm trying to do, or reprioritize what's important to me. It gives you that space to do that. And so if you are looking to kind of be more present, you may be thinking, well, how do I actually go about doing this? And it can be so simple in terms of sitting down, just taking in your surroundings, just reminding yourself that you are right here in this moment right now. This is you within this big world right here in your moment. And so that can really help, just having that kind of mindfulness about where you are, what you're doing. If you're having your coffee, kind of really savouring that taste of your coffee or your tea or whatever you're drinking, to savour that taste and think, this is what I'm experiencing right now in this moment. Other ways of doing it that I find really help are things like meditation. So there's a great app that I love called Calm, and one of the recent Calm kind of episodes that I used was about creating this space in your mind, and it was just so visual and so wonderful to do because the person who was guiding the meditation just really got me to think about how much space do you have around yourself, kind of like really think about how much space you have around your body, how much space you have around your brain. And for me that was truly wonderful, because I thought, I do have all this space around my brain and my body, and there is there is space, and I'm here in this moment. And actually I found it frees your mind, and then you can then think about things. And I was actually at a stage where I was thinking, oh, I've got so much to do, work is so busy, you know, Theo's so active now, and I want to make sure that I do kind of my best by him. Jermaine and I are always thinking and planning and trying new things and trying to, you know, make suggestions of things that we could be doing to improve our finances, our house that we live in, the garden, all of these things, spend time together. You know, sometimes it can get a bit much, but actually by doing this I thought, no, I have space, and I can think about what I want to do, and I can put it all into perspective, and I can prioritize as well. So I just wanted to share those couple of thoughts with you about the importance of kind of making sure that you take some time to be in the present moment. It's also a great time when you're in the present to be grateful for everything that you have. And I'm a great believer that, you know, when you're grateful and you are open to all the wonders that are around you and all of the wonderful things that you have in your life, then that is actually the foundation of happiness. Because I think no matter what you're trying to do, no matter where you're trying to get to, what you're striving to do, if you're not happy and grateful for what you have, then really what's it all for? Because ultimately we're emotional beings, and we want to be happy, and we want to be grateful and have our hearts kind of filled with all that wonderful kind of happy, loving emotion. And so that can really help actually just being present in this moment and thinking, you know what, right now, this is me in my space, in my life. What am I happy for? What is wonderful about my life? And sometimes when we're thinking too far ahead, we kind of forget those things that are so wonderful right now. And that's not to say that, you know, don't keep working towards your goal, don't keep striving towards your dreams. That's so important as well. But also along the way, take a step back and be grateful for where you are, and appreciate all of the work that you've done to get yourself where you are, and all the wonderful people that have helped you and that you have around you. And so take that all in and let it give you the motivation to carry on. So really, really hope you found that useful. And if you've got any other ways that you use to kind of help yourself be present in this moment and the benefits that it has for you, then please do let us know. Drop a comment below, and I'd love to hear it, because it's something that I really want to work on at the minute, because I do find myself getting a bit too kind of caught up in what I'm trying to do for the future and not really appreciating what I have right here and right now. And it took this wonderful sunny weather that we have here in the UK that I'm enjoying at the minute to actually realise the wonders of just being present and enjoying the things that are around you. And I really hope that this has helped you, and that it really brings you so much benefit in your life too, and helps you kind of get the creativity and the focus and that determination to reach your goals and your dreams, whatever they are. So I'm gonna leave it there, and I really hope that you have enjoyed this episode of our podcast. And if you're watching on YouTube and you think this is a nice video, then why not hit the like button? And if you're not a subscriber, then why not subscribe to our show and hit the bell button so you know when we release a new video. And I've really enjoyed talking to you today, and I hope that you have wonderful weeks, you're in good health, good spirits, and happy. And I very much look forward to seeing you again next week. Okay guys, you take care. Bye.